Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have a really exciting video and I wanted to upload this ASAP because it is a promotion video, which means that once I finish uploading this, the promo is going and it's gonna last for a very short time. So I wanted to film this as fast as I can so you guys can get into this promotion as well. So this is the Hapa Kristin limited edition Blossom picnic box. I mean, look how pretty this particular box is. If you guys don't know what Hapa Kristin is, it's basically a contact lens shop, and they also is part of like the true Korean fashion company as well. So it is a very well-known brand, so they have their own contact lens company, which I thought was really good, and I have done videos of them already, I think probably twice, and have done reviews of the contact lens I've tried. So I'm really excited to get this as well to show you guys, because I feel that this is such a good promotion, especially if you guys have watched my videos and still wasn't sure whether you want to get it or not, maybe because of the price. To be honest, the price is actually really affordable. Like in general on the website, they have two different type of contact lenses. They have a monthly one for like $25.99, which you get like 2 pieces, and then another one is like $19.99 for 10 pieces of one-day contact lenses. The best part about Hapa Kristin, and like I mentioned in the other videos, is also that they provide free shipping. There's no minimum, there's no maximum, it's just free shipping, which I thought was amazing. Obviously the free shipping is standard shipping, but if you want faster one, they also have that, but the shipping is not free. But if I'm not wrong, I think it's only like $9. Not sure about that, but I just know that standard shipping is free, which I thought was amazing. For this box here, the promotion will last between 10th of March to 24th of March, so it only lasts for 2 weeks. Obviously, I've uploaded later on after 10th of March, so after you guys watch this, you might only have like a week to actually purchase this, hence why I wanted to upload this as soon as I can. So with the promotion, there's actually 3 options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly tell you guys the option, and then I'll show you guys which option I chose. So the first option is the 4 lenses pack, so you get to choose 4 lenses of your choice from the website, and it gives you 10% of 4 of the contact lenses, as well as getting this box with 2 of the Hapa contact lens solution as well. Second option is 6 contact lenses and you get 20% off, and also this kit with the 2 of the Hapa contact lenses solution. And the last option is 8 lenses with 30% off, and you get this kit and also 2 Hapa solutions. And also, if you guys want more discount, you don't have to. If you want more discount, you can get an additional 10% discount with my coupon code, which I'll put down here and also in the description box below if you guys are interested. So for example, if you would to get the 4 contact lens pack, which is the first option, you get 10% plus my 10%, so altogether it's like 20%. So can you imagine if you get the 8 lenses, you're gonna get 30% plus 10%, so like 40% of the contact lens, which is amazing, because usually when it comes to discount code, if they do have a promotion, using another discount code may not be eligible. But I feel like for this website, it's so valid, it's so good. Like, who doesn't like discount, right? So with my one, I'm just going to show you the box really quickly. In the front, look at that, and then on the back, it is so beautiful. And if you guys don't know, I love cherry blossom a lot. Like, I love it so much that my husband actually proposed to me in Japan under cherry blossom during the cherry blossom season. That's how much I love cherry blossom a lot, okay? But anyway, back to this box. And then when you open up, which is the exciting part, is ta-da! Look at that! How cool is this pop-up art? It's so beautiful. And if you guys don't know, with Hapa Kristin, all of their contact lens, they name them like a name and it ends it with Kristin, which I thought was really cool. I chose 3 of the monthly one and 1 of the one day, and then it comes with 2 bottles of the Hapa solution, which is perfect timing because I just ran out of my contact lens solution, so it's great to actually have this 2 in the kit as well. The first one that I chose is this one day one, and this is by Solitary Kristin. They actually have 2 colors, hazel and brown. I've already tried the shade brown and I really like it because it was so natural, so I wanted to try this hazel one and see what the differences is like. So this one with the hazel, the diameter for this is 12.6, which is amazing because it leans much more towards towards the very natural, smaller side rather than enlarging side. Now with this one, to be honest, I can't really tell the difference between the hazel and the brown. Probably the hazel felt much more lighter for me rather than the brown, but again, I really like this and I was very happy to choose this because, like I said, I really enjoyed the solitary brown one, so having this hazel is actually really great and add it into my collection, you know, because I mean, not like I don't have enough contact lenses already, but yeah. Next is this Ahhh Kristin, and this one I actually tried in the shade purple, and I've mentioned in the previous one, it reminds me of one of the characters from The Witcher wearing the purple one. It was such a nice dark purple and it didn't look too unnatural, but obviously you can tell, you know, people don't have purple color lenses, color eyes, but I really enjoyed that color, so I wanted to try this green one, which is what I'm wearing right now. And I love the spikiness of this because it doesn't look very obvious, it looks very subtle, which is great. The diameter for this one is only 12.9, which is great, and you can see it doesn't look that big at all, but you can see a little bit of that enlarging effect. And again, this green is so beautiful. It's like a jade green color, and the spikiness of it is like a little bit, it shows the real color of your eyes. So if you do have lighter eye color, I reckon this green will look much more lighter on you, which will look really beautiful. And this one also have like a little nice light brown, dark brown rim as well, which looks amazing to show you a little bit of that enlarging effect. Now what I'm going to do is, because I actually haven't tried two of these other contact lenses, and usually I don't do stuff like this. I tend to try contact lenses each day and then pre-shoot the photos and then do like a proper review for you guys. But because I wanted to get this video out as soon as I can, I haven't had time to try this too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try one, get off the camera, come back, do a review, try another one, get off the camera and do another review. So the third one I'm going to try is this one, Hapa Kristin, and this is in the shade brown. Again, with this one, I think I tried the green one already, I'm pretty sure, and I honestly really do like this one. Oh, actually I tried the gray one, and I remember I said it just looks such a beautiful gray, like it has like 3 colors to it, and it does have like a thicker outer rim to it, but honestly it looks so beautiful on the eyes. It looked like there's like a little jewel on your eyes, okay? So that's why I wanted to try this brown one. This diameter is bigger than the other two that I've previously mentioned. This one is actually 13.4mm. So I'm gonna get off the camera and I'll be back. I just put on Hapa Kristin brown, and like I'm just so amazed with this particular shade. Again, it just looks so beautiful on the eyes. Like it just make my eyes look like icy. Does that make sense? It just, this brown, it doesn't look like a dark brown or light brown. It leans more toward like a, how do you say it, like a translucent hazel brown shade. When I first saw it on the contact lens solution thingy, it looks more like a green hazel brown rather than like a dark brown, light brown. And then when you actually put it on the eye, you can see there's so many colors going on in this contact lenses. I feel like when I thought that gray had so many colors, I feel like this brown had so many. You can see the gray in this eyes, you can see the brown, you can even see like a little bit of like a whitey shade in there as well, and also like a beautiful light brown rim, as well as a little bit of like blue color as well. Honestly, there's so many colors in here, but I personally feel like it just all blends really nicely. This reminds me of like a gray husky hair fur pattern. It sounds weird, but that's how I can just explain this design to you. Like you guys just have to see the close-up of my eyes when I wear this contact lens, because honestly, beautiful. And the 13.5mm, that actually doesn't feel big at all. It actually feels really nice. So yeah, I'm actually very amazed with this. I just hope that one day Hapa Kristin can actually make this into a one-day contact lens, because I can just imagine myself just using this very often. But with this one, again, this doesn't lean towards the natural side. This is a very obvious pattern contact lens. So if this is something what you're looking for, definitely recommend it, but definitely not leaning towards the natural side at all. Last but not least will be Blase Kristin, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that I tried the green color of. Now with this one, I got mine in the shade brown, and this one is 13.2mm, so it's a little bit smaller than Hapa Kristin. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try right now. Now now I'm wearing Blase Kristin, and I have to say this gives you such a puppy eye effect, but at the same time a little bit of that dolly eye effect. This one definitely looks very beautiful, very natural, even though it has that really spiky black outer rim on the eye, but it doesn't look too black when you actually put it on the eyes, because the brown and the black to somehow match together. It looks like a beautiful gradient brown black color. This is honestly such a beautiful color, and I remember trying the green version of this. I remember that green was light, but it was actually really nice and natural at the same time. So I'm definitely really glad that I chose this brown too, because again it looks so beautiful. And again, if they have one day contact lens, I would so wear this if I do wear makeup on a regular basis. The reason why again I like one day contact lenses because I myself don't wear makeup on a weekday during work, so I only wear makeup in the weekend. So technically if I were to wear a monthly contact lens, I would wear it only like maybe 4 times a month. So having that one day just gives me that flexibility to wear anytime I want. So FYI, just in case why you guys are wondering why I keep saying I like one day one, but again I really like this particular color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again if you guys are interested in any other contact lens from Hapa Kristin, you can check out my other 2 videos for more close-up videos of the other contact lens before you make a decision. If you guys are interested in trying this box, I definitely do recommend trying this kit. Is such a good opportunity because you get such a good bargain, like a good discount, if also you use my discount code as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and put down in the comment box below if you have any questions in regards of anything, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.